Let's paint all the colors of the rainbow. Can you find the red block?
Look at my favorite colors.
What new color can we make? That's a bright red apple. Let's color the letter A. Look how tall our tower is! Which color do you like the most?
I like blue, green, red.
I love mixing colors with my hands. Red goes in the red basket. Let's make a rainbow bracelet. Who can find something green? Draw your favorite color shape.
What new color did we make?
Match the colors quickly.
Look at the colorful balloons.
They are lovely, aren't they? Let's make our cupcakes colorful. Choose your favorite color. Choose your favorite color.
Mix these two colors together.
Glue your colors carefully. Look at all the colors we learned. Find the blue object first. Wow, that rainbow is beautiful. You are doing a great job.
Thank you. I like the orange part.
Me too. Keep going. Look at all our beautiful art.